Alright guys, good day everyone, I greet you. Welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, then I do my documentary here about my trading journey, you know. So that's what I do on this channel. I document my trading journey, you know, record everything, my trading steps, you know, my trade recaps for the weeks, and I've been doing this for months now. So if it's your first time coming across this my channel, please give it a like and subscribe because there's more to come. So this week I do not have a video of my trading, because we had issue with so I was not able to record, understand, while trading because my laptop is always off and I trade with my system. So I'm just going to put the screenshot of the trades I took this week. I took 4 trades, and in these 4 trades I had 2 losses and 2 break-even, but these 2 losses, even the 2 break-evens, apart from the last trade I took yesterday, which is Friday, that is a break-even trade because there's no way I'm going to hold the trade till next week. I don't like holding trades at the weekend, So any trade I'm taking on Friday, I like to take the trade, then come out of that trade, and if at any point I think that this trade is not going to give me what I want, I'll just break even out of the trade. I don't like holding trade at the weekend. So that is it. So the Friday trade is a break-even trade, normal, but the rest of the trade was full of mistakes. The 2 losses, I took those losses because of my own mistakes, and the break-even trade was also supposed to be a win, almost the same mistake, and what is this mistake? I take trade with 5 pips stop loss because I trade only Euro USD and GBP USD. I take trades with 5 pip stop loss, 7 pip, 9 pips at max, But this week, the trades I see, those trades, starting from my first trade, I was supposed to use 7.5 pips stop loss on that trade. But because there is a there is a high, because that trade was a sell, because there is a high above my trade, I already set my pending order already, putting my stop loss at that 7.5. But when the market come close to trigger me, I was like, my push up and stop me out, then reverse. Then I had to adjust my stop loss, and adjusting my stop loss to cover that high, I ended up using 15.2 pips stop loss. So because of this, the trade that was supposed to give me 1:3.5, I was now struggling for that trade to give me 1:2. So at the point, the next low where I was supposed to target, as my TP level, that initially gave me 3.5 RR. That place is not up to 2 RR now, so I have to adjust it, push it more further, you understand, to make up to that 1:2 RR. So when the trade come, the trade triggered me with just No drawdown at all. The market just come, triggered me and pushed down. And immediately the market cleared that low that was that my target. Immediately the market cleared my target, that low that my target is at, my TP is at. The market reverse. You know. And because this trade is just 2.5, I no break even. That's how the market stopped me out. And I took a loss on that trade. The trade paid me. I was so mad at that trade. And you know, starting from the first trade of the week, that was how because I was able to control myself. That was why I come out from this week with just 2 losses. So at the end of the week, I had 2 losses and 2 break-even. But my trading this week taught me a lot. I learned a lot of lessons this week, and I've also adjusted, add some rules, adjust some things in my trading pattern, but my trading strategy remains the same. Now, I don't have any video of my trading, to put out this week. But I said, let me just share a little bit of my story with you guys, especially the beginners, people that are just starting this journey. Last month, August, made me 2 years on this journey, on this trading journey, and in these 2 years has been struggle upon struggle, struggle upon struggle. I've been struggling all these years. Last 2 months, being July, something happened. That was the first month in 2 years. That was the first month that I will tell you that I took trades for the month, and I journaled everything from A to Z. And in this month, the month of July, I took 14 trades. I took a total of 14 trades. And in these 14 trades, it was a break-even trade though. After my winning, my losses, break-even and all that, it was a break-even trade. No loss, no profit. If my system is on now, I would have tagged the analysis, because I have the journal on my Notion. I would have just tagged the screenshot for you guys to see. And this is the month of July, and that is the first month since I started my trading journey that I will tell you that I focused on one strategy. And in the month of August, I saw some changes. Because of my achievement in the month of July, I was able to sit myself down and say, if I could actually trade for the whole month of July and come out break even with my strategy, with this strategy, already before then, I already made up my mind that no matter what, I'm not going to be changing this strategy that I'm trading now. Instead, I will keep on refining it. So after I come out with this July results, I told myself that if I can come out with break-even, that means if I continue doing the same thing, I will definitely come out with profit in some months. So I had to repeat the same thing. Looking at my last month trades, which is July, I found out that all the losses I took was on London session, and my winnings were on New York session. So here is what I did. I terminate London trading in the following month, which is the month of August, last month. And I'll put it as a rule that, okay, I will not be trading London session again. Let me focus on New York session. So I took all my trades on New York session on the month of August, and I took a total trade of 11 trades. I got some 1:4 RR, 1:3 RR, 1:4.5, 1:5, 1:2, 1:2.5. I mean, that is the lowest. But in the month of August, I was able to come out with 17%. I was able to come out with 17 RR profit. After I minus the profit, I was around 20 something RR, minus my loss. So I had 17 RR profit, and this is the best I have gotten since I started my trading journey for the past 2 years. And that month of August was exactly the month I completed 2 years on my forex journey. So this month I was able, starting of this month, after I did the analysis, I felt like I was very emotional. I felt like crying, and I asked myself, what did I do differently? What did I do? How did it change? What changed the situation for me? What changed the situation for me is sticking to one plan. Sticking to one plan. Knowing that each single trade you are placing today does not matter. Does not matter. You can take a total trade of 20 in a month. Your first 18 trades will be losses. Then your next 2 trades will be wins. 15 RR, 15 RR. You're already on profit for the whole month with just 2 wins. That is when I had to understand that I don't have to put so much emotion while trading. I just come to the chart and do my thing. As long as I see my strategy, as long as everything is aligned, I take my setup. If it's a loss, fine and good. If it's a win, fine and good. So after all this, I still amend some things that I feel like is wrong on my trading. And I started this month's journey. The first week of this month, I took a total of 4 trades. 2 losses, 1 win, 1 break even on the first week. And this is the second week. 2 losses, 2 break even. I will still come next week. If I see my setup, I will take the trade. After this coming week, the upper week, I will still do the same thing. Then I will check the results to see how I perform. And the way I place my trade now, knowing that one single trade will not determine my profitability. even on the last week, even if I'm on drawdown, even if I'm on loss on the month, even at the last week, I still believe, as long as I'm trading my system, that I might still come out with profit or break even. Because all I need is just 2 to 3 wins for the whole month. I'm already at break even or at profit. You see. So if you're a beginner trader and you are still struggling, maybe you already have a system, I want you to give it a try. Pick one strategy, map out your rules, and stick to it. Stick to it. Just make sure your strategy is tested and it's working. Stick to it. Trade for complete 1 month, then check your results. You will see the difference. Alright, I will be ending this video here. And if it's your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please give me a like and a follow. I'm documenting my trading journey on this channel. Every trade I take, every single trade of them is on this my YouTube channel. If it's not on my video page, it's on my shorts, because every day I take a trade, I upload it on my short, whether win or lose. If you go to my shorts, you will see my video. Then at the end of the week, I put all the videos together and upload them on my videos. But this week I have no video because we're having issue with lights. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Wishing you guys a happy weekend and a profitable week ahead. See you on the next one.